Hello dear history enthusiasts. Today we are going to take a journey to one of the history's turning points and explore the impact of the migration period on the fall of the Western Roman Empire. This period was a complex and critical time as the Roman Empire faded from the historical stage. Let's get started. The migration period was a massive migration wave that lasted from the 4th century to the 6th century AD. During this era, various barbarian tribes originating from Central Asia and Eastern Europe began moving towards the borders of the Western Roman Empire. Huns, Vandals, Goths, and many other tribes were part of these migrations. The Western Roman Empire had been facing a series of internal and external challenges since the late 3rd century. Economic decline, military weaknesses, political instability, and even epidemics contributed to the vulnerability of the empire. During the migration period, many barbarian tribes moved towards the Roman Empire's borders. Notably, Huns, Vandals, Goths, and Ostrogoths launched raids into Roman territories. These raids resulted in the sacking of cities, desecrating of farmlands, and instilled fear and uncertainty in Roman society. The invasions by barbarian tribes put military pressure on the Western Roman Empire. Rome had to redistribute resources and military units for defense. This left Rome vulnerable and exacerbated internal issues. The pillaging and occupation of barbarian tribes weakened the Roman economy. Trade routes were disputed, farmlands were abandoned, further contributing to economic collapse of Rome. Barbarian tribes had a cultural influence on Roman society, particularly the Goths adopted Roman culture, laying the foundation for a new culture. This led to a transformation of Rome's traditional identity. The migration period played a decisive role in fall of the Western Roman Empire. As a result of these complex interactions, in AD 476, the Western Roman Empire officially collapsed. At the end of this period, the German kingdom established by Odoacer in Italy replaced the Western Roman Empire. The migration period is a significant turning point in history, and understanding the activities of barbarian tribes helps us better comprehend historical events and society. I hope this video has helped you gain a better understanding of the impact of the migration period on the Western Roman Empire. Also consider subscribing to our channel because we will continue to explore many more fascinating historical topics. Until the next time, goodbye.